Hello student, welcome to Math Master Class in Nice Exponential Math Problem. In this question we solve a into power 32 is equal to 2 into power a. We are finding value of a. Let's starting the solution of this question. Don't skip any part of video, watch video till end. A into power 32 is equal to a 2 into power a. So this will be a into power 32 whole into power 1 divided by a is equal to 2 into power a whole into power 1 divided by a. A into power 32 into 1 divided by a is equal to 2 into power a into 1 divided by a, and this will be a into 32 divided by a is equal to 2 into this a cut by this remain 1. In next step, this will be a into 32 divided by 1, a into 1 divided by 32, that is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 32, and this will be a into 32 divided by a into 1 divided by 32 is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 32. This 32 cut by this remain a into 1 divided by a is equal to this 2 into 1 divided by 32. This will be a into 1 divided by a is equal to 2 into 1 into 1 divided by 32. So in next step, a into 1 divided by a is equal to 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 32. So a into 1 divided by a is equal to 2 square into 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 32, and this will be a into 1 divided by a is equal to 2 square is 4 into 1 divided by 32 multiplied by 2 is 64 is equal to a into 1 divided by a is equal to 4 into 2 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 64. So in next, a into 1 divided by a is equal to 4 square into 1 divided by 128. This will be a into 1 divided by a is equal to 4 square is 16 into 1 divided by 128. In next step, a into 1 divided by a is equal to 16 into 2 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 128. And next, a into 1 divided by a is equal to 16 square 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 128. So a into 1 divided by a is equal to 256. 16 square is also 256 into 1 divided by 128 multiplied by 2 is 256, and then a is equal to 256. This is answer of our mathematical problem. Let's verify this. Our answer is, our question is a into power 32 is equal to 2 into power a. Our a is 256. 256 into power 32 is equal to 2 into power 256. This will be 2 into power 8 whole into power 32 is equal to 2 into power 256. 2 into power 8 multiplied by 32 is also 256 is equal to 2 into power 256. Our left hand side is also equal to right hand side. Now our answer is verified. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more interesting math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.